Hello YouTube, hello my viewers, and welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you 4 ways to install blind rivet nuts. I have the rivet gun, I have the drill attachment tool with a handle, I have a tool with a small little bearing in it, as you can see there, and I have a self-made tool, which I'm all going to show you in this video. If you have to install a lot of blind rivet nuts, these tools are very easy to use, but they also cost a lot of money. So if you only have to install a couple of them, you can make a tool by yourself for a couple of euros, or you can order one on Temu, AliExpress, eBay, whatever. And I'm going to show you all of them now. So I have made a little setup outside, so let's go outside and test all of these. So the first one I'm going to show you is this one. You can easily take this off. You don't really need it, but I just keep it on. Attach your rivet nut. Attach it to the drill. And I will attach it in the top one here. I can fit 2 nuts in there. That's it. So it's in there, very strong, very tight and very straight. I hope you can see that. On my YouTube channel is a full video of this tool. Go look it up or see the description. I will put a link in the description. The next one we're gonna test is this one. Put the rivet nut on. Make sure it's far enough on there, and then just easily like this. And this knob is to get it out again. Also pretty tight in there, and I did it not straight, but that's more that's more my mistake than the tool. I didn't kept the gun straight. So about this tool, there's also a video on my channel. I will drop a link in the description. And then this one, the Temu, AliExpress or Amazon one, with the little bearing in it. I will use a hexagon tool. You can also do it with a drill, and then you attach a hexagon on the drill. But I'm gonna do it this way. And this one is only to hold it in place. And this is meant for if you just have to do a couple of them. Get it out. So as you can see, this is not that proper attached. It is straight, but it's very strong like this. So don't worry, the hole is very big, but if you have a good size hole, it's very tight. And of course, always I also made a video about this tool and you will find it in the description. And the final one, the self-made tool. I'm gonna do it with a drill. Hit all drops on the floor. I gave it a really hard drill, but you can see it's properly attached. It's not straight. So this one I like the most. It's easy, very quick. So this is my number one favorite. Then the second favorite is this one. Yeah, you can buy them around 40 euros. And I think the blue one is around 20 euros. Yeah, this just works good. You can add different sizes. So perfect. I also do like this one. If you don't have to do a lot of Rivnuts, just buy one of these, and then you can do it also with a drill. Works very easily. And this one, yeah, the self-made tool doesn't work proper. Really not easy to hold it in place, and then you will not touch the Rivnut straight. So for me, this doesn't work very proper, but it works, and that's it. So these were the 4 methods I wanted to show you. They're not all good, but you can decide for yourself which one works for you. For me, it's gonna be this one. I will put a link in the description to all these tools videos on my YouTube channel. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, very important. If you like this video, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel for future videos, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching.